Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to make a market recap where I'm going to discuss, of course, AMC, GameStop, but we also had some strong moves on LCID yesterday. So I'm going to analyze this one at the end of this video because I'm sure some of you are in this trade and interested. I'm going to give targets. I'm going to give support and resistances as usual. So let's start with AMC and GameStop. Let's get into it. All right, so let's start with AMC. I'm going to take a step back because it's needed here. And as you guys know, I'm on a daily time frame. We did already 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know if we're still in the 4th or if we started the 5th, but there is one more move up to come. That's my take. I'm really convinced we're going to see this move up. Not sure exactly when, probably before Jan 22. So let's analyze first the situation. We have here a nasty breakout, guys. Okay, let's be honest. I mean, I'm here to do technical analysis. So TA is here giving a bearish signal. I'm going to show you right away what is the good scenario that still can happen here. But for now, the reality is that we have a breakout below this trend line that had 1, 2, 3, 4 reactions and 5, 6. And you can see the breakout is without volume. That's good news, but is making a major move through this trend line 2 days ago. So now it's been one more day on Thursday that we closed below that level. And if I zoom in a little bit, guys, you can see that this trend line acted as resistance. All right. So this confirms, I mean, we knew that already because we had already 5 reactions, but we closed below, we then retested it and for now got rejected. So that's not looking good for me. But I have some good news. The first good news is that we have an immediate support around 33, 34. So it's quite close. And as long as, I mean, Friday session is going to be very important. If we manage to close above that, it's going to be a fake out. All right. But on the other hand, if we close below 36, many scenarios can happen, but we have support here. We then have another support just here. So we have basically a lot of support. So basically, like I showed you guys in another video, we would have somewhere horizontal basis for the same triangle. All right. So we would still be in a triangle and we would probably rebound around 29, I would say, when the 200-day moving average is coming. So this is for me, the alternative scenario that is bearish, but I'm quite bullish here actually. Despite this ugly signal is when I look at GameStop. All right. So just in terms of market capitalization, GameStop is 11 billion and AMC 18 billion. It's important to look at the market cap because the big market caps are driving the flows, right? So if one of those two has good signals, bullish signals, probably the money would flow in all of them. So I don't have good signals on AMC, but it's not too bad. After breakout, consolidating just below and coming back with a green day is very positive. So, I mean, it's neutral bearish on the short term for AMC. And on GameStop, we had plus 5% on Thursday, which is very good, guys. We found support on this 200-day moving average and we came back to this resistance. So this level is important. I'm really paying attention to it. This was already a level I showed you guys. Some of you were asking me on Discord. It looks like GameStop is about to fly. It was last week. I said, guys, we have a second wave pullback that is coming. I would be careful. And once again, I didn't think it would be that deep, but I was expecting this kind of pullback. Now, it's been 4 days in a row. We are trading higher. I mean, this day, not really 4 days, let's say 3 days plus 1. And we have the resistance level at 185, guys. So if we are able to close above that today, it's going to be really bullish for next week. I mean, this is the scenario and the counting I'm having for more than 1 month. So, you know, guys, that sometimes I need to change those countings because, you know, I didn't find right away the correct one, but this one is holding well. And if we have a breakout here, I mean, the third wave would really be on the way and we would probably do something like this. Okay. So if this happens, so what I'm saying is if we close above 185 today on Friday, we'll probably run up quickly to the 230 area, which means 25% move up. This is my take. Let's see. But we would be in a third wave here. You guys know that third waves are usually very impulsive. So this is looking quite good to me. So I really do hope we close above 185 on GameStop today and above 36 on AMC. Those are my levels. If we close above that today, I would be very bullish for next week. Now, I want to show you guys what happened on LCID. It's a pain in the ass. We were following this one for quite some time. You guys know that on Discord, we try to share with you the best plays, and we were discussing this together with Gabriel that is working with me on Discord. And, you know, we were waiting for this breakout. All right. We had here this nice consolidation for 1 month after being tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We were waiting for a close above this trend line, and it closed just below. That's why we didn't get in. Otherwise, we would have tried to get in. But we're still happy to see this strong move up because I know that some of you were in this trade. So I want to analyze what happened here and what might happen next. So the first thing, you can check the volume, guys. 370 million shares exchanged roughly at 30, 35. So we are talking here about more than 10 billion USD traded on the stock, which is a lot. All right. So this is bullish, but here is my analysis. First thing, when I have something like this, I check what is on the option market. All right. So the very first thing I do, guys, I come on this spreadsheet. You guys know this spreadsheet. I built it using Bloomberg's formula and Black-Scholes formula. So I'm getting the synthetic short interest information for LCID. So give me a sec. Okay, guys. So, and when I check on LCID, that is very important. So first information, the total short is 16%. So this is the sum of the regular short interest as of 30th of September. So I might update that later, but it's not going to change much. And the synthetic short, there is 6% here. So the synthetic short is giving you a lot of information because it's telling you where you have gamma. Okay. Whenever you have a lot of options on a strike, usually when you're going to go through this strike, there's going to be very impulsive moves. So here we can check where, so you have the option distribution here. Here is the strike level. So 20, 40, 60, 80. You can see that we have a strong accumulation of options around the 30 strike. So I'm not surprised that, I mean, it's always surprising, but this is kind of explained. This strong move up of plus 30% is due to the massive number of call options that were around 30. All right. And we went through this. So market makers, option market makers needed to buy on the upside. Now I check around 35 and 40. We still have some, but definitely less than here. So I would say that the bullish momentum would unfortunately fade on the upside. And as we have a lot of back holders here, guys, from, 30 to 60, many will actually probably unwind the position and be selling around those levels. So we might stay here a bit longer, but what happened here, guys, I had this resistance level at 35 for quite some time. It was just the highest close level we had in the recent past. We went above, but we closed below. So this is showing me that in this area, there are a lot of sellers. All right. All this area is a selling area. Bears and control in this area. So everything that comes here is for me good to sell. So for those who are in this trade, not financial advice, but what I would do if I managed to be in, I'm not in, unfortunately, is that I would have taken profit. I don't know, everything above 35. So starting at 35, 40, 45, something like this. Okay. And I don't think we're really gonna run up higher. But we have some good news about the company, all right? What happened is that, so basically there was some announcement about some cars that are going to be bought by Saudi Arabia. So this is good news for the market. And once again, this kind of news can give us momentum. But technically, guys, we have a lot of resistance in this area. And last thing I wanted to tell you guys, I'm going to be live on YouTube for the first time this Monday at the open. It's going to be a bit tough because, as you know, guys, we are managing some positions on Discord, and it's usually at the market open that we take all our trades because of the time zone. So I'm going to try to do this before so that I can be live with you and discuss everything you guys want to see. We're going to check the market, check the volumes, check the price action, and I will just answer all of your questions the best I can. So I hope I will see you there. I hope you guys will be asking questions. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.